Ayun na nga, I'm Ray Day from Toy Stash in Action, guys. And nandito tayo sa Heroes Dimension, ang ating official headquarters ng Heroes Comic Con Philippines, o ang ating HQ. So this is exciting, guys, because meron tayong mga dumating na Robotech items, which is also known as Macros sa Japan. So this is the Toynami, what they call this, Harmony Gold book type collection or masterpiece collection ng ating mga Macros figures. So I have here Miraya and of course si Jack Archer na collectible natin. So these are licensed items and of course meron silang certificate of authenticity. Yan, nandito sila. So these are limited edition figures, guys. I believe ito si Jack Archer is only limited to 5,000 pieces worldwide, and this si Miraya is 15,000 worldwide, guys. So these are the certificates na nandyan sila. So these particular pieces are very beautiful. So ang ganda nila kasi this is a straight copy dun sa kanilang what they call this, yung vintage line. So yan, napakaganda. They are also die-cast, so meron silang mga bakal-bakal dyan, guys. So ang ganda nila, mag-fit in yan dun sa inyong mga vintage line. And of course, yan, tignan nyo naman yung, yung sa detail. It's very pristine, ang ganda pa ng condition. And of course, since it is book type, guys, yan. So ito yung kanilang packaging. So they are available only here at Heroes Dimension, guys, located at Nomo Vistamos Lifestyle Center dito sa Bacoor, Cavite. We are at the 3rd level, guys, so make sure na umakyat kayo. And pwede kayong, guys, mag-follow sa ating Facebook page, which is Heroes Dimension. So yeah, kita-kits sa Heroes, guys, and peace out. God bless!